Hello children, welcome to maths class. Let's learn in this video question number 10 of your textbook exercise 9.1. The question is here, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. There are two poles standing on the either side, mean both sides, just opposite to each other we can say. So let's start. We have road. Two poles are standing. What is that? How are that two poles? Of equal heights. That means these two poles are of equal heights. Okay. So reading that first sentence, we come to know two equal poles are standing on either side of the road. This is the road, which is 80 meter wide. So road is 80 meter. This is the width of the road. Suppose AB is one pole, CD is another pole. So automatically we get this BD is the road, 80 meter wide. Next we see from a point between them on the road. That means observing point is somewhere between this pole on the road. Between doesn't mean that exactly in the middle, between somewhere. So let's see here, this point is E, observing point. So whatever is happening from this point is happening. What is happening? Let us see next. From a point between them on the road, so observing point is E, point of observation. From here only something is observed. What is being observed? The angle of the elevation of the top of poles are 60 and 30. So if we look at this pole top and another pole top, one angle is 30, another angle is 60. So 60 degree angle, 30 degree angle. Now why we have shown here 30 and there 30, here 60 and that pole top elevation is 30? Because this point is closer to this pole. So automatically when we look at the closer object top, our eyes will raise more above. So 60 degree angle. And this position of this point on the road is comparing to this pole, this is far. Suppose we do not know exactly that position, we will read the question and we will know more about that. We are just not talking about angles. Why we took here this pole 60 degree elevation and another pole 30? Because this point we have marked closer to this pole, so angle will be bigger, and far from another pole, so angle will be smaller. Again, if you have assumed this point here, then this angle will be 60, that angle will be 30. So it depends on that location of the point where you have located. It is closer to which pole, that angle will be bigger, far from which pole, angle will be smaller. Hope it is clear now. There is no doubt about showing the angle in the diagram. Okay. Now find the height of the poles. Both poles are equal. Any one height we will find, both will be same. And the distances of the point from the poles. That is what I was talking with you. It depends on the locating the point on the road. It is closer to which pole and far from the which pole, another pole. So this distance also we have to find. Find the, what is that? Find the distances of the points from the pole. So this both we have to find out. I mean this E is how far from first pole and this point is how far from the second pole. Hope you have understood the questions clearly. Let's start it. What we have assumed here, first of all, AB, we will start with let AB and CD be the height of two equal poles. Very important word it is, be the heights of two equal poles, equal heights, two equal poles which are equal in height. This we have to find out, find the height of the poles. Then another one is the distance of the point from the poles. Which point is E on the road? So, we have to find out the distance of E from B, that means we have to find out BE also, and another one ED also or DE, these both we have to find out the distance of the point from the both poles. So, we have understood the diagram, we have understood introduction and also what we need to find out. Now, the question comes, how shall we find? Clearly, we are seeing the triangle, we will work one after another in both triangle and nothing to worry. What we are supposed to find, we will find, provided we use correct ratio. So, let us start work in right triangle ABE. So, this is a right triangle here. We are talking about distance of the point on the road and height of the pole. So, surely perpendicular and base we will use 10 ratio for which angle? 60 degree. So, in this triangle for this acute angle perpendicular is AB, base is BE. We will use that AB by BE. Ratio must be in our mind. Here we write 10 and we forget 10 is showing which ratio, which side ratio. We will be making mistake here. So, ratio must be in mind clearly. 10 60 degree root 3, AB we do not know. What is the height of pole? We do not know. Let us see BE. Do we know anything about BE? Nothing we know. ED do we know? That also we do not know. So, let us do some work here. Whole width of the road we are knowing. Road is 80 meter. We do not know BE is how much, ED is how much. So, let us take BE is x. After reaching only I have brought you back here in this point to know what will be BE and ED. Full road is 80 and we do not know any of this part. So, one is x. So, another one will be 80 minus x, whatever may be this, another will be 80 minus x. So, what we could do? We could do here little work. Let us come here, we will write let BE equal to x, therefore, DE will be 80 minus x. By taking this x and 80 minus x, that is the distance of the point from this both pole, our solution will become easy. That is why starting I did not told you about this, reaching there and then brought it back. So, when we start the solution we will go this way from here continuously. When you are practicing you do not go there and come back here, you go continuously. Just to explain I have brought you back. Alright. So, what we are seeing now, B we have assumed x. So, we will use x. Here we do cross multiplication, this is 1, root 1 into AB is equal to root 3 into x, root 3x. So, we got from the first right triangle AB is equal to root 3x. Let us work now in another right triangle. Now, we are working in right triangle CDE. Here also same ratio 10 we will use for perpendicular and base angle is 30 degree, perpendicular for this CD and base is DE. So, CD by DE. 30 degree value, 1030 value we know, 1 by root 3 this. CD we do not know, but something we know about CD. What we know? Is equal to AB. Both poles are of equal height. So, why not we change CD into AB. What we know about DE? DE we know 80 minus x. So, we will use 80 minus x. Now, thing is that all of a sudden if we do any changes, better to mention it here. CD is equal to AB, since AB is equal to CD, both poles are of equal height, and here we have already shown DE is 80 minus x. Let us do cross multiplication. What we get? Root 3 AB is equal to 80 minus x. So, we are reaching here AB is equal root 3 AB is equal to 80 minus x, and first right triangle, if we look at what it has given to us, it has given to us AB is equal to root 3x. So, why not this AB also, let us change into root 3x. 1 root 3 is here, then into AB, AB is also root 3x is equal to 80 minus x. So, here also we are changing something. What we are changing? AB equal to root 3x from here. So, we will mention AB is equal to root 3x. Now, what will happen? Simple calculation, root 3 into root 3, 3x minus x will come here, become plus x is equal to 80 remains here. Root 3x plus x, 4x equal to 80. So, we come here in this part now, we get what? Root 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 80, and finally we get x is equal to what? 80 by 4, 80 by 4, that is 20. X is what? X is the distance from of the point from first pole BE. So, we can write BE is equal to 20. ED will be how much? 80 minus x, that means 60. So, this point is 20 meter from this pole far and 60 meter from another pole far. We understood how far that point is from the both pole. Let us do that first. So, we got BE is equal to 20 meter, and from another pole distance DE is equal to 80 minus x, that is 80 minus 20, 60 meter. But still one thing we have not found. What is that? Height of the poles. Height of poles AB or CD. AB is equal to what? Root 3x. So, we can write down the height of poles. Height of poles. Here we will write poles because both poles are equal only. AB is equal to CD is equal to root 3x. Root 3 into 20. We can write 1.732 into 20, or we can just live with root 3 also, no problem. We are trying to reach the exact value, so we are using the value of root 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2 1 3, 1 0 after 3 digit decimal. So, height of poles will be 34.64 meter, and the distances of that distance of point from the poles 20 and 60. So, very interesting question. We have done it very easily. I hope you will be understanding it well and enjoy this maths class. And I am really waiting for your comments also, from which portion, since you will be preparing your own also. So, from any portion of your mathematics, from your syllabus, you have doubts, even you can mention question number and exercise in the comment. I will surely make the video on your doubts and upload for you. See you in the next video.